In a world of connected machines, everything from factories to connected cars and critical office infrastructure can be a target for hackers. And with enterprise network expanding to the edge, there are new gateways for attackers to penetrate the network and new blind spots for companies to protect. Recent attacks have made headlines around the world and brought massive disruption to countless business and everyday people. In our connected world, a remote code execution on the enterprise networking or office printers or the IoT network edge can compromise the entire network. Enterprise keep adding security measures, but without built-in product security. The compromised edge devices like routers provide a direct path into the company's crown jewels. Karamba's XGuard suite provides embedded security by ensuring that your network edge machines work solely according to the factory settings. Any behavior deviations from the factory settings are blocked and reported to the enterprise and device manufacturer. With XGuard installed during the software build process, the product remains protected throughout its lifetime with no updates needed. XGuard provides self-security that detects and blocks exploits of buffer overflows and other memory corruptions, dropper of malicious code, and return-oriented programming. With Karamba's embedded security solutions, manufacturers can provide state-of-the-art secured system to their enterprise customer against known and unknown threats.